die without him. You know that's a lie that you tell yourself.
The global disruption caused by the COVID-19 has brought about several effects on the environment and climate. Due to movement restriction and a significant slowdown of social and economic activities, air quality has improved in many cities with a reduction in water pollution in different parts of the world. Environmental problems are caused by conflicting interests regarding natural resources and the preservation of the environment. Electricity and magnetism are two related phenomena produced by the electromagnetic force. Together, they form electromagnetism.
Electricity is very vital to our civilization. There are two forms of electricity. One is static electricity and the other one is dynamic electricity. Dynamic electricity is a moving electricity, or more precisely, a moving electric charges. Electric charges is very important in physics. There are two types of electric charges: positive denoted by a physics sign and negative denoted by a minus sign. Think of magnets for a moment. We know that two like poles is two north and two south poles of magnet repel each other, and unlike poles attract charges. These charges are carried by tiny particles. Incredibly small. They are called subatomic particles. Positive charges are carried by particles called protons, while negative ones are carried by particles called electrons. There are billions and trillions of protons, and electrons present.
Magnets are used other places too, and the things we use every single day. For example, a doorbell uses a magnet. So do computers and televisions. Today, magnets come in variety of different shapes, sizes, including bar magnets, desk magnets, and horses magnet. But no matter what shape or size, every magnet has two ends called magnetic poles. One pole, the magnet will always play north, as level the north pole, and the other pole is level the south pole.
The world is presently experiencing a number of environmental problems, and these environmental problems include pollution and global warming. Pollution of the atmosphere, land, and water. Global warming, the effects of which are felt in the form of floods, food shortages, spread of diseases, and the melting of ice caps. Coal mining is the best example for environmental problem addresses electricity. Coal mining is the process of extracting coal from the ground. Coal is a non-renewable resource, which means that it is limited. It takes millions of years for you to form. Coal mining means that the natural environment is disturbed. The burning of coal and other fuels releases pollutants like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Now let's look at global warming. What actually happens is that the sun's rays comes down to Earth, and a certain amount of sun's rays is reflected back into space. At the end of the burning of coal, ash is a byproduct, and this, if inhaled, can lead to human health problems.
Electromagnetic radiation refers to the wave of electromagnetic field propagating through space carrying electromagnetic radiant energy. Based on research, the gadget can cause many health problems in many ways. Short-term effects of radiation such as headache, nausea, and hearing loss. Children are most affected by exposure to magnetic radiation, so parents must be monitored to use these gadgets for their children. You may be aware of the harmful effect of electromagnetic radiation by your cell phones and other wireless gadgets. The good news is there's a few practices that can help you to use your gadget safely. First, distance is the key. Keep your cell phone as far as to your body as possible. We recommended that your device should be kept at least 1.5 feet away from your body if it's not in use. Avoid keeping your cell phone in your pocket if it's possible. Text instead of making voicemail. You are giving devices to your children to play or to do their homework. Always remember to turn off the Wi-Fi or the mobile data.
Water pollution is the release of substances into bodies of water that makes water unsafe for human use. We know that water can be contaminated, as well as invisible magnetic fields that pulsate around us can also contribute to hazardous health. And this can also even affect our drinking water supplies. So, electromagnetic fields are invisible to the naked eye, but their presence in homes, factories, offices can be harmful to our health. So what does that have to do with water? Underground water linked by magnetic fields to man-made frequencies often causes harmful lines and forms. And air pollution can also cause water contamination. The water is a carcinogen and also gives water a bad taste and smell. This chemical entered waterways by leaking into groundwater. Having water filters in homes is one way to catch anything unsafe that local water companies use, as well as leaving items unplugged that are not in use. Although power may not be on, there are still waves flowing through the socket.
Now, the unwise use of resources today means that children and communities of tomorrow can be deprived of resources. If humans continue moving forward in such a harmful way towards the future, then there will be no future to consider. We need to stop all these harmful practices and move towards a better and peaceful future.
You fear that you'll never meet another so pure, but it ain't true, ain't true, ain't true. So put your arms around me tonight.